Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. Under what legal concept a spouse can claim damages from their partner's lover for intentionally interfering with the marriage? Option A, criminal conspiracy. Option B, alienation of affection. Option C, Domestic Violence Act. And option D, maintenance proceeding. The correct answer is option B. The Delhi High Court in Shelly Mahajan versus Bhanushree Behel and another held that a civil suit by a spouse seeking damages from the partner's lover for intentionally interfering with the marriage is maintainable. The court relied on the concept of alienation of affection and clarified that such cases can be filed before a civil court rather than the family court, giving spouses a civil remedy to address deliberate disruption of their marital relationship. Question number 2. Under the POCSO Act, which of the following acts constitutes sexual assault but not rape? Option A, penetrative sexual intercourse with a minor. Option B, touching the private parts of a minor. Option C, threatening a minor for sexual purposes. And option D, abduction of a minor for sexual exploitation. The correct answer is option B. The Supreme Court in Lakshman Jangde versus State of Chhattisgarh clarified that touching the private parts of a minor does not amount to the offence of rape under IPC but is classified as sexual assault under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. Question number 3. The period for limitation for taking cognizance for an offence punishable under Section 379 IPC is option A 6 months, option B 1 year, option C 3 years, and option D, no limitation. The correct answer is option C. For an offence under Section 379 of the Indian Penal Code, which is theft, the maximum punishment is imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years. Therefore, the period of limitation for taking cognizance of this offence is 3 years as per Section 468, Clause 2, Clause C of the CRPC. Question number 4. For recording a confession, the magistrate should option A, get that person arrested. Option B, summon the complainant. Option C, inform such person about the accusation against him. And option D, inform such person that he is not bound to make a confession. The correct answer is option D. According to Section 164, for recording a confession, the magistrate should inform such person. Specifically, the magistrate must inform the person that they are not bound to confess and that any confession made may be used as evidence against them in court. Question number 5. Denatured has been defined under dash of the Chhattisgarh Excise Act 1915. Option A, Section 2, Clause 5. Option B, Section 2, Clause 9A. Option C, Section 2, Clause 17. And option D, Section 2, Clause 12. The correct answer is option A. The term denatured is defined under Section 2, Clause 5 of the Chhattisgarh Excise Act 1915. This section states that denatured means rendered unfit for human consumption in a manner prescribed by the government. It's the time for practice question. In order to acquire the right to easement against government property, by virtue of which it is prescribed, option A, a period of 30 years, option B, a period of 60 years, option C, a period of 20 years, and option D, a period of 25 years. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.